Hi guys, this is a very first class for the chapter 1 introduction to web development. This is very simple question but very important one. What is website? So website is a collection of linked web pages. You should know about web page. What is actually web page? When different web page link to each other, that we say that this is a website. You can also make a website with single web page, but actually website is a collection of different linked web pages. What is a web page? Web page is created using HTML. Actually this is a page that is created using HTML. So you should know about page. For example, this is a header of a web page, this is a sidebar of the web page, this is the main content, this is a footer of the website. No, this is a one web page. This web page layout structure designing is created using HTML and other skills. You should know about actually what is HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language. It contains different tags to controlling its width, height, inserting different media, inserting different tags based, inserting headings, paragraph, formatting text in different style. So many other things also you can control using HTML. Website examples. These are different examples for them: jafrico.com, facebook.com, google.com, youtube.com. So jafrico.com is a type of website in which you can learn different things, different online courses you can purchase. Facebook.com is a social network, Google.com is a website that is a search engine. YouTube is a video search engine type website. There are different types of website. For example, social website, blog website, personal website, news website, search engine website. So these are different examples. There are two type of website. So fundamental, there are two types or categories of website. One is static, another is dynamic. So a website contain, for example, a website that may contain text-based information, audio-based, video-based, and also image, graph, icons, diagram, and collection of all mentioned above. So for example, you want to make a website, you can include in that website different articles, text-based, audio. You can also insert audio-based website. You can also develop, you can also make a video website in which you will be able to insert different videos. And also you can make a website of different images, graph, icons, diagram, etc. And you can also make a website in which all the media will be stored. Website can be created with different techniques, so some of them are mentioned here. With scratch web programming, for example, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, etc. So using these programming language, writing a code, you can create a website. Web framework is another way to create a website or web application. One of them is a Django web framework, coordinator, and other also you can use to create a website. So benefit of using web framework is that there are predefined classes, predefined functions, predefined method. You have to just call them. So it saves your time to create a website. Another is a CMS system based, for example, WordPress, Joomla, Drupal. Many other also CMS are available in the internet field, but CMS WordPress is very widely and famous one used in the world, that is written in PHP. So you can also learn WordPress to create website, web applications. I open a web browser in which I will show you different example of website. You can see that this is a website, jafrico.com, and you can see this is a top header in which contact information is stored. This is a header, and you can also place a icon. This is a menu bar, a navigation, and this is also a content area, and you should know about this is a main footer. So these are different web pages that are linked to this website. You can also click here to see this web page. These are different web page. Actually this is a single web page, and this is another web page that are linked to this web page, and these all the web page are linked to each other. You can see that these are different web page. and these are menu bar. You can shop here, you can read blog post from here. So these are different web pages that link to each other to make a one website. Another example, Draws.pk, that is a e-commerce based website. You can order anything. This is a online shopping website. You can see that there are many types of also website other. You can visit that to learn different things. So these are different example about website. We can also say that google.com is a website that is a search engine based. facebook.com is also a website that is a social network. Also twitter.com is also a website. News websites and blog type website in which bloggers share different ideas and user discuss on that using comment section. These are different example about website.